Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Holey Moley 10 bowling pin puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dave Janelle and made by Creative Craft House in the United States. Difficulty level of the Holey Moley puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to reorganize all 10 bowling pins in such a way that all of them will be at the same height. But this puzzle has a couple of twists. First of all bowling pins have different height. As you can see, number 5 is taller than number 10, number 4 is quite short, and number 1 is taller than number 4, and so on. All of them have completely different height. But there is more. All holes in the base have different depths as well. So for example, I will put number 5, one of the tallest bowling pins here, inside, but it goes inside only so much. But if I put it, for example, in this hole, it goes much deeper inside. If I put it here, it goes almost all the way down. So you have to keep in mind that the length of the bowling pins and the depths of the holes is completely random. And the other thing that makes it quite challenging to figure out the solution is that the base has a slope here, and that makes it very difficult visually to see what you are doing, since when you put part here, it looks like if you put the longest piece right here, that will be the correct way to solve the puzzle. But then you put another tall piece which is almost as tall as number 5, but it goes inside much deeper. So that almost makes no sense, but you have to figure out the way how to put all 10 bowling pins in such a way that they will be at the same height. So quite interesting and fun puzzle, and it is also a nice puzzle that you can put on your desk since it looks really nice. If you like the Holey Moley puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.